Nagsimula na noong Miyerkules ang pagpapalabas ng sikat na Broadway musical na Wicked. At kwento ng mga bida ng naturang musical, habang naghahanda raw sila sa kanilang palabas, isinabay na rin nila ang pamamasyal sa Maynila. May news to go si Nelson Gatlas.
Sa magarbo at nakakamanghang set pa lang, sabayan pa ng husay ng pagganap at pagkanta ng cast, talaga namang mapapahanga ang marami sa sikat na Broadway musical na Wicked. Nakausap ko ang lead actors na sina Susie Manters na gumanap bilang Glinda at Gemma Riz bilang Elphaba. Kwento nila, ganado sila dahil matagal na silang excited magtanghal sa Pilipinas. Isang buwan ang ilalagay nila rito at sa panahong yan, isasabay na rin nila ang pag-explore sa Maynila.
Because we've only just got here, but we've got a lot of local crews, so that's where we sort of go, what's good, what do you recommend? And
we've slotted into Manila life, super easy. The locals are really wonderful. Our backstage crew and our orchestra members are amazing. It's so wonderful to be in this country.
Sana rin daw ay makilala nila ng personal ang Pinay Broadway star na si Lea Salonga.
It'd be amazing to, ever work with someone like Lea Salonga, and to think that she's going to be in the audience watching us is, that's pretty incredible.
Nelson Canlas, GMA News.